Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to install putty in your Windows machine and connect to a Linux server using that putty. Go to your browser and search for putty download. Then click on the first link. Then you will see this interface downloading putty. So before downloading the putty, you want to ensure three prerequisites. First one is install a SSH server in your Linux server, and second one is you want to open port 22, which is very essential, and third one is you want to install an SSH client server in your Windows machine. So currently I am clicking on download putty. Then you will see this interface. So here I am downloading a 64-bit into a x86 this version. So you can download your adaptable version. So I can download it clicking on this. It will go to this download section. So here I have already downloaded putty. So I am going to it and installed it already. So after installing putty, you will see this interface. First, we want to give the host name or public IP addresses. Here I am running a Linux server, so I want to connect to that particular Linux server in my local machine using the VirtualBox. I have already created a video about how to install an VirtualBox in your Windows machine and install an Ubuntu server in that. So I am connecting to that Ubuntu server. Coming to this server, I am running it as NAT. So I get this server by giving the address as localhost. So I am currently giving that localhost. So here you can see that I have already given the port number 22 and connection type to SSH. Then you can click on open. Now you can see that the screen prompts us to give the username. So my username is Ubuntu. So next is password. You want to give your password. So you can see that we have successfully entered into our Linux server with the help of putty. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment if you have any doubt regarding this video. See you next one.